Jyotsna ji has been
denying
patiently listening, but I saw her smiling a number of times when, Tauseef was speaking. Jyotsna ji, isn't this being petty? I mean, just think of this. You have a leader of opposition after a decade, after 10 long years. मतलब क्या हो जाता अगर राहुल गांधी को फ्रंट रो में सीट मिल जाता?
Deepti ji, I'll tell you one thing here. First thing is, yes, it is a very, for me, I think it's a very petty topic to talk on. I'll tell you why. Because ये बात पे क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि उनको सीट दिया गया या नहीं दिया गया. He has not come out clearly saying that हाँ मुझे दिया गया, नहीं दिया गया. He should have come out with that. First thing. Second thing is, one of the panelists now says Rahul ji was insulted. I don't know. I think one of the party panelists said that. So sitting next to medal-winning athletes is insulting, Deepti ji? Do you really think so?
Then you know what, Jyotsna ji?
Sitting next to
Jyotsna ji, being
award-winning
the
and
devil's
medal-winning
advocate, they
athletes.
should have created a separate block for all Olympians. Ensure that all the cabinet ministers sit at the back.
No.
ये करना चाहिए था ना आप लोगों को.
See, let me tell you here. नहीं, हमने ये नहीं बोला था. एनडीए के किसी ने ये नहीं बोला है कि हमें यहाँ बिठाया या हमें पीछे बिठाया गया या आगे बिठाया गया. उन लोगों को ये क्या है? So we are insulted. We never said that. First thing. And here we are talking about the political hierarchy. Yes, I'll come back to that. And again, when he says, मुझे ठीक से सीट नहीं दिया गया या दिया गया, he should have confirmed that first thing. Second thing is, Deepti ji, in this debate itself, you asked a question. Does the nation really want to know this? No, I don't think so. Do you really think, Deepti ji, nation really wants to know where Rahul Gandhi ji is seated?
Okay, Jyotsna ji, I'm just
placed
interrupting you here, not with an ulterior motive, but we have a commercial break that we really need to take right now. But like you said, the nation wants to know whether Rahul Gandhi was insulted, as Tauseef has just said, or is Rahul Gandhi lying? Was he given a front row seat? He did not take that. He himself goes and sit at the back. We will figure out whether, we see the true side of that story. Jyotsna ji and all gentlemen, thank you so much right now for joining us. And a very happy Independence Day again to everyone.